welcome. Today we're going to talk about hiccups. Hiccups are a reaction to common digestive disorders, drinking carbonated beverages, alcoholic beverages, smoking, or a sudden change in the room temperature. We'll provide you with some simple remedies that you can try at home. Take a glass of cold water and add 1 teaspoon of honey to it. Mix it well and drink it immediately. You can also gargle with cold water to keep hiccups at bay. Take a bowl of yogurt and add a little salt to it. Mix it well and see to it that the salt gets dissolved completely. Have the yogurt slowly to get relief from hiccups. Cardamom powder is an effective remedy for hiccups. Take a glass of boiled water, add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, mix the solution well, consume this. This will give relief from hiccups. Thanks for watching. I hope these remedies help you. Do like this video and subscribe to Style Craze for more such videos.